Hey YouTube, Savage Addict. Sorry it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been working out of town, haven't had much time. Last time I had this out, I was jumping the ramp and I broke both of the front A-arms. Just where it hooks into the pin right there, just that one piece on both of them. You can see there's a crack where it ripped through. So I'm going to change those out while I'm at it. GPM Racing SAX 1028S aluminum shock towers. I've been wanting to get these for a while. Glad I finally got them. After the install, we'll be back to show you how it looks. Alright YouTube, here it is. Finished results. Here are the new GPM silver shock towers. Both front and back. And of course I fixed the A-arm. Both sides of it was popped loose out of the pin right here. It actually split the plastic when it pulled it out. So, got all that done. Good tight suspension on it. And also cleaned up the motor a little bit. I know it still looks pretty dirty. I didn't do a detailed cleaning on it, but got a little bit of fuel leaking out of the exhaust. I need to get some new gaskets for it, but for right now, it's going to get the job done. If you notice in my previous videos, this handle was always kind of leaning back like that, just kind of hanging around. I took it apart and tightened up the cord in it, wrapped it around the spring again, give it a nice tight return, so shouldn't have any more issues with that. Got a good if I can get my finger in here, got a good gear mesh. Probably can't hear it. Got a slight tick, minimal play. So, should be all good to go. Looks pretty sharp with those silver shock towers on there. Alright, original Savage XL, GPM aluminum shock towers. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.